Thank you for trusting us to inform you tonight. ODM leader Raila Odinga has once again hit out at his political opponent, Deputy President William Ruto, calling for his resignation if he is unhappy with the way the government is being run. Odinga, who was addressing Mount Kenya region through the vernacular stations, has accused Deputy President of double speak, saying he cannot have his cake and eat it. This as business tycoon and presidential hopeful Jimmy Wanjigi officially joined the list of persons wishing to vie for the presidency on an ODM party ticket. KTN's Daniel Kariuki reports.
Political barbs between political nemesis ODM leader Raila Odinga and Deputy President William Ruto is slowly gaining momentum as next general polls nears.
Public rally.
The swearing union between President Uhuru Kenyatta and his principal assistant and calls for DP resignation by his boss has caught up with the handshake partner, the ODM chief.
Umeona Uhuru anahangaika, anaendelea kila mahali kuangalia miradi vile inafanyika ya serikali hapa na pale. Lakini naibu yake anaendelea kufanya kutoa lawama. Manake anaona kuna mambo mengi ambayo ni mbaya ndani ya serikali na yeye anataka kwa mjanja ati yeye achaguliwe.
Though the DP has maintained he will not quit, Odinga backed President Uhuru Kenyatta's appeal to his deputy William Ruto to resign.
Hii sio mara ya kwanza tu kuna makamu wa rais. Babangu mzee Jaramogi Oginga Odinga alikuwa ndio makamu wa rais wa kwanza. Akaandika barua kwa rais na akajiuzulu. Kwa hivyo kama unaona kama mambo si sawa, na wewe ni mtu ambaye kuna principles, sema tu ati mimi nimeona mambo si mzuri kwangu, kwa hivyo I'm not going to tolerate this, I'm resigning.
I have no space to retreat and I don't have the luxury to surrender.
Odinga says the two were elected together and it is impossible for the DP to dissociate himself from the government.
Lakini yale mazuri yote ambayo serikali inafanya tumefanya. Lakini yale mabaya yote anajitoa huko. Lawama anaweka kwa upande mmoja peke yake. Lakini wako kwa serikali pamoja. They are like Siamese twins. Huyu ni rais na huyu ni makamu wake. Toa namna gani? Ni walifunga ndoa ya miaka mitano.
In matters BBI, the opposition chief says they have agreed to put the matter to bed after the Court of Appeal ruling, but that does not stop anyone from moving to court over the matter. In what has been seen as efforts to speak to the mountain, Odinga dismissed statements about his candidature. And if the ODM chief is planning to vie on ODM party ticket, he will have to brace himself for a tough nomination process, as presidential aspirant businessman Jimmy Wanjigi has joined the ODM party ready to contest for the top seat.
We are interested in popularizing this party and making sure that ODM forms the next government. Tafadhali, open your hearts and minds to the length and breadth of Kenyans.
Whether you are a candidate for president, you need the structures of the party at the grassroots, because we know that this is a party that has structures of the grassroots. We need that even when we are campaigning or canvassing for votes, we respect existing party leaderships up to the grassroots level.
Focus shifts to the ongoing coalitions talks across the political divide. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Deputy President William Ruto is demanding